Hey, Dr. G here. Thanks for watching this short video. In today's video, I wanted to give you a quick review of the iReliev Percussion Massager. Now, I like the simplistic style of this massager because one button does everything. You turn it on with one button, that same button will allow you to move up to 3 different intensities, and then you turn it off with that same button. I like simple. If it works and it's simple, it's for me. Now, this one in particular is very good. It has 3 different levels of intensity. And although it's very simple, don't let that fool you. They're still very powerful. It has very little noise, 45 decibels of noise, and the levels of intensity can go from 1,800 repetitions per minute to 2,400 repetitions per minute to 3,200 repetitions per minute. So it's a very strong machine. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up the box so you can see everything that's inside. So this is what you get inside the box. You have a case, which is good. A lot of companies actually make you purchase the case separately. On this side of the case, you have some instructions, but it's very simple. You can go over them just to get an idea of how to use it, but I'll show you how to use it right now. So inside this case, on this side, on the left here, we have a charger, we have the percussion massager itself, and then you have 4 different attachments, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna go over them right now. So let's start off with the machine here. The massage gun, very simple design, all black, I like that. Then over here is the one button that we're going to use for everything. This turns it on, turns it off, and then changes different levels of intensity. Then on the opposite side here is where you're going to insert the different attachment heads. Now down here on the bottom, this is where you insert the charger for the battery. And then this over here has 4 little light panels that tell you the battery life. And that's all there's to it. Very simplistic, very easy to use. So let's go over the different attachments. So this attachment here is a circle. This one's good for larger muscle groups like the quads, the hamstrings. Feels very good on them actually. And we have one that's like a fork. Now this one is great for areas around the spine. It has a gap in the middle so you don't hit the spine. This is also good for hitting around the Achilles tendon so you don't hit the Achilles tendon right there. Now this next one here it's finger-like, so this is good for smaller areas, smaller wrist, like joints like the wrist, the foot, the hand. That way you can get into tight places. And then this one over here, it's a flat design, and this one's good for all over the body. So that's the 4 attachments. Then over here, this is the charger. The way you charge this is you plug it into your wall outlet, and then you insert this back here, and then it does its thing. So I'm going to show you how this works. We're going to insert the fork on here. All you do is push and it secures in place. Then over here on the other side, you long press the button, it'll turn it on, and over here you see that it's on level 1. And there it is, you see it vibrating. And as you hear, it's not very loud. I'm actually going to put this close to my phone here, to my microphone. Not very loud. Then I'm going to press this button again. You'll see that move to the second light. Moves a little bit faster. That's at 2,400 repetitions per minute. And then the third one, the third level, is at 3,200 repetitions per minute. And if you listen, it's not very loud at all. I'm going to place it close to the mic here. Not very loud at all. If I long press it, it'll shut it off. If I wanted to change the different attachments, I just pull this out. And then I can place another one in there if I need to. Push it back in the same way. And that's all there's to it. Very simplistic design. I really like that due to the fact that I don't like things to be complicated. I just want them to work, make it work in the simplest way as possible, and that way it's more user friendly. There you have it, guys. That's my review on the iReliev Percussion Massager. It's a very good machine, very simple. It's going to help you to recover faster, get those muscles loose, get circulation flowing so you can move better, improve range of motion. I hope you liked the information in this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Leave me your comments and questions down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And for more information on how to acquire the iReliev Percussion Massager, I'm going to leave a link right below this video where you can click it. That'll take you over to their official page. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.